Welcome back to Handy Andy. It was just my birthday. I'm a huge collector of Legos. My entire loose collection is actually right over here in the laundry room, and I'll show you that. I want to do a new segment of Lego builds and how long it takes me and stuff like that. So I'm going to start out with this really cool little kit that I got here. And it's a little birthday cake with, you push a little character and a jack-in-the-box comes up. What's really cute is if you look here, on the corner it says, or let me flip it around the back, you can see there, it says for ages 1 to 99. Basically what that is for is that the number on the front can do the number you want. So this one has 7 and I'm 41, so I'll put the 41 on here. This is kit number 40153, and they just call it, it's a building toy. That's it. I would think they would call it a birthday cake or something like that, but they don't. So I'm actually going to then switch off my main camera, and I'm going to switch over to my new GoPro, my new little session, and I'm going to record all this via time-lapse video. So you guys don't have to see it in fast forward and stuff, and I'll put some nice music in the background, and then I'll use a stopwatch to figure out how long this took me. Alright, so let's get going on the build. Now, what's inside the box? Well, I already cut the seal a second ago. I open it up, and there's a standard array of stuff that you get from Legos. I'm going to put the box aside. We got 1, 2, 3 bags. Typically what Lego does is they're really good about doing a big bag with the big parts, another bag with the medium parts, and a bag with the really small parts. And then they always put like one weird like big part loose. I use it as a radar dish when I build stuff, but that. We have the instruction manual, and that's it. Now, there's something I learned to do when I started building Lego kits a few years ago that helps me out a lot. Some Lego kits come with numbered bags. These don't. These little ones, they're just loose. There's no numbers on here per se. And some of them may come with a sub bag, like the head of the jack-in-the-box is on there, and then the little bag and the medium bag, right? So what I do is I use disposable plates and disposable bowls. But here I switch to just, you know, the good old China plates, and this is what I do to lay out the Legos so I don't lose them. So for this like small bag of small parts, which are just, you know, you can see it, they're really small parts, I'll just open it up and I'll put them all in here. You can see now I can have these all nicely organized, or visually there, I can see them. I'll put this aside. I won't need any more small ones, so I'll leave those aside. And then I'll do the next size up, which is the medium bag. So I'm going to open that one up. Again, I open it up, I make sure I can see all the parts, and that is it for that. I'm just going to have the bags here that I don't want to make a big mess in my garage. So then I'm going to take this big seat plate, put it there, and then I got the part with the larger pieces, right? And like I said, his head is in a little bag, and now they perforate the bag. I'm looking at the perforation, so I can easily just pop the bag up and take out the head. So there we go. And as you know, recycle the bags as need be. Alright, so I'm going to be switching now to the top-down picture angle for the GoPro, and we'll see where we get. Alright guys, I'll see you on the other side of this build. Well, I'm done. According to my timer, it said it took me about 12 and a half, 13 minutes. Not bad. It's a small little kit. Here it is. So you can see it has my 41st birthday 4-1 right here. You build those yourself, and then there's a little, and the Joker comes up. Let me get this nice and close for you guys so you can see it, okay? So here you go. This is what the kit looks like. It's really kind of cute. Right there, and then there's a little lever in the back, and he pops up saying happy birthday, basically. And there's a little trigger back here, you see it. Very cute little kit, not that bad. You do have to learn how to do the 41 yourself, but it's not that bad. Alright, well, with that, I will have another Lego build shortly. It's the Saturn V rocket, the big one. I'm going to record that one. Actually, I have the box in the other room, or I would show it to you right now. So with that, I wish you guys a good night. And with that, again, Handy Andy, over and out.